We are gonna go for a drive in the Beamer. My room's dirty. This is what I look like right now. This is fucking insane. It's recording good like this.
You can't fucking see the fucking road, dude.
I can literally see completely fine.
You need to put the hat up higher.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I can see fine.
Put the hat up higher and aim the fucking phone down so you can see the road, dude.
I can see in front of me. Okay. I forgot you're in my eyes.
Keep going.
I'm gonna go drive. With the doohickey. Dang. But we got the clear corners. I need the clear tails. We don't have the clear tails. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. This shit's pretty fucking heavy. Alright, cool. Dropping the sport. Hey, bro. It really don't sound that bad. On some real shit. I've literally had I've had 3 E46s, an E36, and an E90. And honestly, the one I got right now is probably the most reliable one I have. It's got 195 on the dash, but there really hasn't been any crazy problems. The craziest thing that I've had to deal with on this is a misfire. Get into manual mode and try to do something. It's kind of hurting my brain, dude. Just gonna keep it a buck with you. Is that the road I have to go up? Oh, dude. No, it isn't. Fuck it. We'll take the long way back. I know I'm probably gonna get shit on for driving this car in fucking Steptronic fucking manual mode, but you know, it's fun. The reason why I got this for an auto is because like this is the only car that I have, and with all the traffic and how it is around here, bro, like dailying a manual sucks dick. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Like I would love to have a manual project car along with this car, but just for an all-around daily, because I gotta do a lot of shit. I'm always driving. Sometimes you just don't want to get in your car and drive a manual through traffic, bro. So, like, I don't know. I don't know if you guys, like, feel the same way. Don't get me wrong. I love driving manual. I loved my 325 that was manual, but, dude, it get to a fucking point, dude. You know what I mean? Like, it get to a fucking point. It's kind of the best of both worlds right now. I know the auto transmission is shit, but just to, holy fucking shit, I didn't even see that pothole. Why are you trying to go right? Why are you in the other lane trying to go right? That shit ain't gonna work, gang. Fuck that, I'm out. Now we're good. I'm playing. That was fun though. Little pull.